Tracing our roots to 1885, the State Bar of Montana's mission is to promote the highest standards of professionalism and competence in the practice of law, to foster an accessible, fair, and independent system of justice, and to preserve the rule of law. This important work includes engaging and educating the Montana public. In that spirit, we look beyond our courtrooms and offices and into our communities. We recognize that public understanding and trust are essential to maintaining the American legal system. As our nation approaches the 250th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence, it is worth remembering that the call for an independent legal system has been central to our country from the very beginning. In his 2025 year-end report, Chief Justice John Roberts noted that many of the Declaration's drafters and signers were trained in the law. Their bold vision ultimately gave rise to our independent federal and later state courts. All Montana lawyers take an oath to uphold the United States and Montana constitutions, which also rose from that day in Philadelphia so many years ago, urging Americans to remember and guard our heritage of liberty, justice, and equality under the law. Law Day was later recognized by Congress and continues to remind us that, as President Eisenhower said, the principle of guaranteed fundamental rights of individuals under the law is the heart and sinew of our nation. The State Bar of Montana encourages communities across the state to participate in Law Day 2026. This year's National Law Day theme is the rule of law and the American dream. However, we encourage all Montanans to express and celebrate this important day in their own unique ways. Activities can be simple and meaningful: classroom visits by attorneys or judges, courthouse tours, mock trials, or community conversations about why the rule of law matters. Even one event can strengthen the civic understanding and public trust. The rule of law depends on participation, it depends on education, and it depends on all of us. We invite you to join us in celebrating Law Day 2026 and reaffirming our shared commitment to justice under law. To learn more about Law Day in Montana, please visit montanabar.org and click on For the Public and then Law Day 2026. Thank you.